Here's some drippings off the bottom of the pan on a donut making machine of grease that's been on there for a while, and we're going to go and just blast it off with 4 gallons a minute, 2000 psi hot water pressure washer. Heats up that grease and then just cuts it right out.